Hi everyone, I am back with the brand growth idea number 15, that is about pick the causes that matter. Right now, the entire world is suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic, and not only the humankind is actually suffering and trying to deal with it mentally, physically, emotionally. At the same time, the brands and the business ecosystems are evolving and trying to work it out to create a space of themselves in the mindsets of the consumers. Now, why this is a brand growth idea? Why if you should pick a cause that lives long in the mind of the consumer? Here I will elaborate it further with the example. Now, during COVID-19, the Coca-Cola Philippines decided and announced that the entire budget towards their media activities, which is the outdoor media or even the radios or whatever media space they had procured for advertising Coca-Cola, which was worth $22 million, was actually diverted to COVID-19 awareness campaign. Why? Because the company felt that it is more important to establish the fact and the dangers of COVID-19 and to spread awareness about the do's and don'ts towards dealing with the COVID-19 cause. Now that cause lived longer in the minds of digital audiences, and the brand was much appreciated. Another example that comes from the past is the mind-blowing success of Tom Shoes. When Tom Shoes was launched, they came up with the idea that for every retail sale that they will do, one pair of shoes will be donated towards people, towards children largely, who do not have anything to wear in the feet and who were actually struggling and having a life barefooted, which is not good for their health, as well as it is a crisis. That's not the life that a human deserves. As a result, the strategy was fast picked, and the consumer mindset work in such a way that for them the purchase is actually an indirect contribution. You are not asking anything directly to the consumer, but it goes in the mind that if I am buying from this particular brand, I am indirectly contributing for a welfare cause. As a result, the Bain Capital took 50% of its stake in the Tom Shoes, and it was taken at a whooping price of $625 million. So that is a huge stake. But the brand was largely working on the campaign that their brand was absolutely about one cause for every retail purchase they were donating. Coming to the brands that we are making and creating and managing at smaller levels, because the SMEs and the smaller businesses deal with a huge dilemma that what cause can they pick. That could be as simple as causes that actually go for a longer time period in the mindsets of your consumer. Let's say you are a home baker. So you can actually learn it from Tom Shoes and start doing things that for every cake sold, you are actually donating a packet of rice, which can be very unexpected and most desired meal for somebody who is struggling to make ends meet during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Similarly, the smaller businesses have to think and roll through the crisis situation and take up causes. Suppose if you are staying in a business tower, like your office is there in a business tower, not staying there, but you are located in a business tower and you need to pick up causes. You can actually pick up causes which are more around creating greenery there, managing landscape there, planting trees or donating trees which are good for your health, which clean the air. So that could be a smaller cause, but then it is very effective. So more next time, but think through and message me if you are struggling to get an idea which could be a relevant cause to your brand, and I will be back with more next week. Thank you. Take care.